Hello, I'm Jeremy Dyson. Welcome to Trophy Rides, where we hear the stories behind the rides straight from the owners themselves. Today I'm in Springfield, Missouri for the 43rd Annual Mid-America Street Rod Nationals Award Ceremony. If you love old classic cars and unique rides, hit that subscribe button, follow me, then be sure to tell me which car or truck you like the best in the comments. Let's go see the show.
The winner of our fantastic plane is Super Scout. I mean, you gotta really look close about this one, but it does have planes. There's those planes out there. This is where that's the freeway. It's actually walked up the gate toward Woodley and not over down. First one up is that 76 Captain Andy Dillon out of Springfield, Kentucky. 1974 Automotive, Colorado. A third project, 1968, Canyon Soft, and a 1955 Chevy Nomad direct. Mark in a water, Springfield, Missouri, 1963, and the Jersey Seaboard Road to the annual pearl. Color pick by Elton Color. First one is N992, Bill Ball, or by Sheriff Kansas, and 1934 Ford Bishop. Our second hurricane is our is at the 915, Brad Baldwin, the 1 Stolen by Independence, Missouri, and 1951 Ford truck called the Turbo Nickel Silver. Up next is our Shelby Hot Custom Kit. They went out, walked around the block a little bit yesterday. They decided about 1928, top roll from Salem, Illinois, 1933 Ford Blue Stretch. Their music is really special to the top board. Inside they wanted to shoot some hot press kit. So our first one of this event is SC-125, Genesis City Clearance, Washington, Illinois, and our second costume kit, engine number 243, Borough Hollingsburg, Elm Springs, Arkansas, the 1950 Ford pickup in Northern Black. We all of us always have a closet that we have pictures each year we get into the categories every year. One of my pictures is old school. I have pumpkin boots out there to find something for us. Up next is our second station. That's good. To go off the curtain. He wandered around here. Couple 2-3 times. He was our one-time wedding kit. He liked SC-541. Keith and Don Miller from Ozarks, Arkansas. And his 1959-17 Wood wedding kit in gold.
Still the best looking one out there. Oh man.
Well, I said I get back to this truck a little bit earlier. He got a hold of his name. It's my birthday, told me. And I come to pick up his book. And I had to go to the first one. Up next is our NSRA auto cross. I'm afraid to go to the other one. Take that out for it. And it's out of the way. Thank you, great. NSRA automotive program is a safety program designed to protect the whole nation. Today, our Arkansas lab, we like to design 7, David Grove, out of Springfield, Missouri, and that's considered another Ford group in Berkeley. 857, John Cannon from Granbury, Missouri. Granbury, 1939 Chevrolet Group in Berkeley. On this class, and just think about it, you're ready to elaborate on self-promoting that. Up next, 7340, Richard Benny, Oakdale, Minnesota, 1977 on the Minnesota Flight. Next, 7527, Jack Donald Burnett, out of Springfield, Missouri, 1931 Ford Blue Black. This is good for Mr. Walt Luger, our Western Missouri rep. Our next substation is number 69, Gary Beth, from Buffalo, Missouri, and 1933 Ford Blue Black. This is good by Mr. Brian Snodgrass, our Missouri State Inspector. Up next is 1939 Chevy Sedan Express and Donald Hall, Rose Grand, Missouri, 1917. This is Gary Brewer, our Southern Out State Inspector, Mr. Dickson. Oklahoma, and 1977 Chevelle, the Black Stripe. This is King by Mr. Marnell, our Arkansas Inspector. This is SC-127, Ken Burleson from Alton, Illinois, 1939 Ford Blue Street. This is picked by Mr. Larry Reed, our West. Up next is the business director of SC-505, Evans, out of Missouri, and 1956 Illinois 150, percentage representing are what doesn't keep the structure. 17556, Glenn Baker, out of Willard, Missouri. And 1966 Ford Railroad, Missouri, Minnesota, West Tennessee, and Western South Dakota, Missouri. 1969 Ford. All the way around Western, you run out of gas. Anyway.
He's all the way from Oregon, Eugene, Oregon, sitting there waiting his turn to get up there, and he ran out of gas. There he goes. If you have a classic car or unique ride you'd like to see featured here, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and tell your friends.
Got a rock and roll soul.